All right, folks, so here is what we can do to use the post-secondary exploration tool in Major Clarity to kind of learn about different academic resources out there as we're considering what we want to do after high school. So to access this information, we're going to go ahead and go over to this left-hand column, and we are going to go down to post-secondary exploration. So post-secondary basically means anything that you might think about doing after high school. And in this case, we're talking a lot about colleges. So as you can see, when I go here, it automatically generates this long list of schools that are unique to Colorado. Now, I can definitely switch if I want to look at out-of-state schools. I can easily do that by going up to state, and maybe I open it up to all states. Maybe I have a select state in mind. If I'm interested in only a certain type of institutions, maybe I just want to look at schools that offer technical or certificate programs. If I'm interested in a specific type of program, I could even do that. So maybe I'm interested in English language. So these filters are going to generate these different schools that meet my clarifications or my specific search terms. So maybe I'll change this a little bit to create a little bit broader. All right, so if I see a school on here that I'm interested in, I can go ahead and click on the school, and immediately it's going to give me some basic information about the size of the school, its location, how many years it is, private or public, about how many undergrads it has, and then I can also learn about their strongest programs. There's additional information about admissions, graduation, uh, admission trends from our district. So unsurprisingly, not a lot of Cortez kids are going to Chicago. One of my favorite parts about this tool is you can take a real look at what the cost of this education would look like for you. So if you're looking at out of state, this is a private school, so it's a little bit expensive, right? It talks about your typical debt after graduation, your typical monthly loan payment, which is really important to think about if you're going to be paying for school on your own. It also gives you kind of the average salary that students earn after attending this school. So again, this is a great way to examine schools all over the country that kind of meet your interests. And the cool thing is that when you find a school that you're interested in, you can star it, showing, yes, I am interested. And what this does is this means that later on, maybe when you're thinking about applying, when you go into your portfolio, this will go ahead and save the schools that you're interested in your portfolio. So you can come back later. If you decide to apply, you can even keep track of that process here. But anyways, that's a great way to use that post-secondary exploration tool to meet your needs.